guys, this recording might sound bad because probably the mic is in the room is bad, but I'm just trying my best to make this work. So guys, this is just gonna be a roleplay, and no copyright to any of the real companies you see because I don't actually own them, but it's actually a game. By the way, this is PC Building Simulator and I'm in free build right now. Now I'm gonna act like someone's ordering a PC and I'm gonna build it. Okay, so now let's start in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, we just got a new PC. Let's go build it. So first we're gonna get a case. So N60. Okay. I just use the tags. I don't know how to kind of spell it. Let's go down. Here. NZTX. Okay. So first up, we're gonna look for the skin he ordered. Let's see, like some Razer NZX case. Let's see if we can find it. Right here, the S340. Oh, look, the computer's already there. Let's just move this one over here, because we're gonna work in this station. So let's put our other PC in the closet, and let's go to the Razer desk. Okay, let's get all these bolts off. They want this PC to be super strong, so we're gonna go and find a motherboard. Let's see, that has a socket for a TR4. Let's see ones that fit in this PC. So do we want to go with a Gigabyte or an MSI? I'm thinking of an MSI. Okay, let's screw on these bolts. And we'll be changing the fans in a bit. So firstly, I'm going to get all these bolts screwed in. Let's get all these in. I just wish these could go faster. Maybe one day I'll find one thing that'll make it go faster. But for now, I don't know. And by the way, I kind of started on this game for a bit, so I think I'm a bit ready to play now. Okay, now we're gonna put in the strongest CPU we have. Let's look for it. 2990. Okay, let's put it in, close it. Okay, actually, I want to change these fans. I'll just put on some new fans later in the video. So let's get all these old fans out, because I do not like these fans right now we have. And let's try to add something better. So let's add some thermal paste. Now let's add our CPU cooler. Okay, so I want to go with let's see what we got down here. You know, let's merge the case for the person. So he ordered let's see which one. The NZTX Kraken Z63. Okay, let's bolt it up. And let's get this put on. Hey look, 2 NZTX things. The case and a whole cooling CPU. Next up, I'm going to do some RAM. Let's look for some colorful RGB ones. Let's try finding some Corsair ones. Let's see, Corsair. I want to go with those, these ones. So I'm going to go for the last ones. Open all these clips so we can install all his RAM. Okay, let's put in our first piece of RAM. Get another piece of RAM. Let's keep putting them. Oh no! That doesn't fit. Oh, we're gonna have to move this one. So that means this we can't put any RAM, because I'm guessing if we put all these and just leave 3, I guess it's not gonna show anything. So I'm just gonna go put some on the left but not on the right, because I'm guessing that the PC will not work if I just put 1 or 3 over there. So I'm gonna open all these and put the RAM pieces in here. Still be good, it's just that it won't have full RAM because it doesn't fit, and I'm guessing the PC won't run, because I don't want to waste all y'all's time by showing a broken PC, and the customer will be mad because he wants his PC. Okay, let's get some M.2s. We don't need RGB ones because they probably don't have RGB ones. Let's see. Oh, they do actually. Let's get the highest size because this customer is really gonna put a lot of games onto it. Okay, install this one and screw it in. Install another one. 2 terabyte M.2. Put another one. Get another one. Put it in just like the last one. Okay, now that we have that done, let's put in some SSDs. I don't think we're gonna put some HDD, whatever you call it. Okay. This is called HDD. Okay, let's get out. Okay, so I think the largest size is 1024. Not searching for an M.2. Is RGB still in? No. Okay. We'll type SSD. We're gonna use SSDs for these builds. Ooh, this is actually the highest one. We're gonna install 2 of these to the front. Wait, you know, I'm just gonna remove these. You know what I'm gonna replace them with? Some RGB ones. So let's go. Probably the lowest one would be like 960 RGB. Okay, the top RGB is about 2048. Oh, actually, never mind. They don't. What about 1 terabyte? Anyone? Okay. So this one. I'm gonna get these SSDs. Okay, now we're gonna go on the back size, guys. Unscrew that one. I think I can kind of see this one. So we're gonna unscrew it. Wow, look at that. Now let me check. Is there any more on here? No, it's just for HDDs. But we're not gonna put any. Oh yeah, let's just remove some components that we'll need to do later. So let's just remove some of these screws. Okay, now we have that out. So now he's gonna do hardcore gaming. So let's choose our graphics card. So I'm guessing he can't afford a lot of this PC. So I'm guessing we could just give him a 1080 Ti. So let's search. We could get a big one or a normal one. I'm guessing we should get one of these big ones. Extreme edition. No, I'll get him the best of the best. Let's get VGA Asus. Yeah, let's get him a Asus one. A Ti. Because he needs powerful gaming. So we're going to install 2 of these. Okay, now I have remembered. Now I can just remove these. We're almost done with our build, guys. Wow. That only took like 10 minutes, guys. Okay. Almost, this build is almost done. 10 minutes of guessing. Okay, now we're gonna install our second one. Now we have 2 RTX Ti. Okay, so now we're guessing on our last one. But before we do our last one, let's cable everything that doesn't need a cable. I'm not trying to turn it on yet. So let's cable everything that does not need to be cabled right now. So we don't have to do it after. Because I don't want to waste more of our time. And I'm guessing this will waste not much of our time. So we're just going to plug in all these little cords. And then we're going to put our power supply. Okay, now we're ready for our power supply. Wait, I gotta put it in our software. Can't forget that. Is that in? No. There. Now it's in. Okay. Okay, guys. We're almost done. We just have a little bit of things. I forgot. We had case fans. Forgot about that, guys. You know, we could just go to like 800. I'm guessing. Because it won't be that much. And I'm thinking the length is going to be like 150. Okay. Now let's look for the best ones that we can find. Coolmaster, or take another Coolmaster, Corsair. Let's try this one, Corsair. Okay, let's see. Will all of our cables fit? Okay, guys. I'm super sorry if anything doesn't fit. I would be super sad. Because that means equals I wasted your time and my time. And I don't want to waste any of our time and just make y'all watch it. So let's please hold our hands together and beg that this fits. Wait. Oh, guys, I think it's gonna fit. Everything's fitting. Wait, I can't put that one in. Okay. PC parts. No. Where was it? Yeah, it was PC parts. Okay, we're gonna put in a PCU holder. I'm hoping this is the right power supply or the cables are right. I hope that that does not go over this wattage. I know it may seem a lot that he ordered. But promise me, I'll be ready to play this game. Let's hope that this PC doesn't overheat and I make sure that I did everything right. So we're gonna go with something RGB, and we're gonna be going with Corsair again. Okay. Corsair, let's find the Corsairs. Well, I like that one. Let's just put that one in. And I think the top is big enough for 140, so let's try finding one like 140. Does that fit? Oh yeah, it does. But it doesn't match. Wait, I'm gonna try finding one that matches like this one. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to waste your time like that. I know 13 minutes may seem a long time, I know. I'm just trying my best to find the best parts that I can do for y'all. So I'm trying my best right now. Okay, so that fits. Now we have matching fans, guys. We're almost done. Then we just gotta run it, do some tests, and then we're completed for our PC that our person just bought. We'll be ready to ship it out and have a nice time and make sure if they bring it back to us, we'll check it if anything is wrong. So let's just put in everything so we can put the case and stuff. Okay, so now we're gonna put the back side. I can kind of see through this, so I can kind of put the screws in. Okay, what else are we forgetting? I guess that's, oh no, this thing. Okay, Now that's put in, we can start the PC. Look, it turns on. Let's look. Let's install that. This is actually quite a good PC, so it glows under it. There's all the RGB we can see, except this is not RGB. We can see our temperature of our CPU, I'm guessing. So now let's start 3D Mark Advance. Okay, so guys, I just wanted to tell you I like PCs a lot. I just wanted to show you about this game because I really like this game. I really like building computers. I really like knowing about cars. Maybe do future things about PCs when I actually build real life PCs. But you never know. And thank you for all your time on watching this video. I know it's been a very long time. I'm just trying to make this PC work for their customer. So, just wanted to show you that I love building this PC. Oh my god, that's a lot of money. $8 grand for that. Well, my computer over here, that's also way more. Yeah, that's a lot of money. The rental value, that's a lot. Almost the same specs, but quite not the same specs. And look, this also has RGB too. Isn't that sick too? In our RGB PC for our new users then. Hey! Or, look, Razer, 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 Razer! I told you it's the Razer desk. Only if they had a Razer monitor. But I'm guessing they don't have one in the game because I tried looking. Look at that! Wait, what? 15,762? So, 157062. Let's compare that to my computer. Whoa. No chance of beating mine though. But it'll be good for you. So all we gotta do is just put the side panel back and we're done, and we're gonna box it up and put it off to its place. So now we're just going to unplug the cabling. First we want to turn off the PC, remove our USB drive, unplug the motherboard, USBs, unplug our HDMI, unplug our power supply. Now we can safely carry this, and then we can put it in a box for sale. Okay, goodbye PC. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in with me after watching my video. Bye. I hope you have a good day and had a good day more. Sorry, I don't know what to say. I hope you have a good day and enjoy this video. So goodbye guys. Bye. See you tomorrow or maybe later.